So Get Outdoors Nevada does events throughout the community, and this particular one we did in partnership with one of our county commissioners, County Commissioner Justin Jones. It's a great way to start off the year. It's one of our biggest events. We had 180 people registered for this cleanup, and it's really people who just care about the desert, care about their trails. We've got people who live nearby, people who go biking here out on the trails. And to me, it says a lot about the fact that people want to give back to their community and to the place that we live in.
It's been fantastic. I mean, we'd talked to Mauricia about this project a couple of months ago, and really glad to see that everything worked out even better than we expected. We broke the record for the most sign-ups, and certainly had almost 200 people out here this morning, and kids from 7 to 70 out here. It's really a special place for people who live here in Las Vegas to know that they can get out here, bring your dog, take a hike, and look up.